If you're looking for information on the Resound Lifetime Deal and Resound Review, you've come to the right place. The Resound Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Resound Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Resound Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Editing every and mistake out of your podcast shouldn't take hours and hours, but it does. Resound is the AI podcast editor that automates podcast editing so creators can get their time back. Built by the same professional audio engineers behind Culpable and 15 other #1 podcasts, Resound is built to empower, not replace. Resound uses machine learning models to analyze your audio for patterns. Take back your time by automating the post-production process with AI. Automatically edit your podcast in minutes, not hours, with the AI Podcast Editor for creators. From 2017 to 2019, we painstakingly edited thousands of podcasts manually, hour after hour. It was painful. The worst part, it often takes a professional audio engineer 3 hours to edit a 1-hour podcast. And if you don't have as much experience, it could take even longer. In 2019, we finally said enough was enough. We started an in-house project at our first company to automate podcast editing with AI. Fast forward to 2023, and Resound is now opening up this AI-powered audio editor to the world, so anyone can use it. Now let's dive into all the things you can do with Resound. Automatically detect filler sounds using machine learning models trained specifically for podcast editing. Resound makes the suggestions, and you make decisions. Review each edit one by one or cut all edits in one click. Automatically detect long and boring silences. Fine-tune the pace of your show to keep listeners engaged and cut out awkwardly long pauses in your audio. Make your own edits with a right click and drag. Trim audio as you see fit to cut out bloopers, boring segments, and guest-requested edits. Mix and master audio in one click with Enhance. Remove background noise, adjust the levels, equalize, and master your audio to digital streaming standards. Export your favorite file formats. Export MP3 for publishing, WAV for highest quality, or AAF for editing in Logic or Pro Tools. For multi-track projects, you can export a merged master track or individual tracks. Stop spending hundreds of hours manually editing your podcast. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Resound today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.